Ready once again. The favorite Remus, American Ruler, and Never on Sunday. $1,300. Ready once again. Away they go. Remus fast to begin, rushing up fearless on the further outside. Nose West, American Ruler. Never on Sunday, and running by the rallies. Wow, Tiger Ramsey stays. Remus by a length and a half, followed by Nose West in second. Fearless reaching third by the rallies. American Ruler. Never on Sunday is running in fifth by the rail 6. Wow, Tiger and Ramsey stays still running at the tail of the field, and rounding the far turn. Remus by about 5 lengths. Nose West in second. Fearless, American Ruler, and Never on Sunday still running in fifth. So wow, Tiger and Ramsey stays still, bring up the rear as they race the final corner. Remus by about 8 lengths now, and on the outside rushing up is American Ruler by Darrell and Nose West, but still Remus coming home by about 8 lengths. Nose West, American Ruler, Remus by about 7 lengths, and finally it's a scintillating run coming from Remus second. American Ruler, Ramsey stay fearless. Never on Sunday. Nose